Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the high memory usage by Firefox in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So in the first step, simply open Firefox, click on these three lines, then go to Help, then click on About Firefox and make sure your Firefox is up to date. In the second step, click on this extensions icon. Click on Manage Extensions and disable or remove any unwanted extensions that you don't use. In the third step, go to Themes and set it to the default themes of Firefox. This saves a lot of memory. In the fourth step, go to Firefox Settings, then scroll down and go to the Performance section. Once here, uncheck this box and make sure Use Hardware Acceleration when available box is checkmarked. In the fifth step, open a new tab and type About:memory and hit enter. Once here, you'll get the option of free memory. Click on Minimize Memory Usage and this will free up the memory of Firefox. In the sixth step, open a new tab and type About:config and hit enter. Click on Accept, then click on Show All. Now in the search box here, type browser.tab.remote.warmup and hit enter. You'll get this option. Now click on this plus sign. By default it is set to true. Click here and set it to false. Once done, close Firefox and open it again, and this should fix the RAM usage. You can also perform these additional steps. Go to Help, click on More Troubleshooting Information. From here, click on Clear Startup Cache. Click on Restart. If this doesn't help, click on Refresh Firefox. Now set up Firefox as per your preferences and the high memory usage by Firefox will get reduced. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped. Thank you.